Hi and welcome to this how-to video. In this video we're going to look a little bit more at desktop containers in the ZenWorks Application Virtualization 11 Professional Edition release. The problem we're going to talk about is being able to allow users to share files with each other in a way that keeps them secure. So I've got my desktop containers, I've got some files, I've got 2 or 3 users, I've got a team that needs to be able to collaborate on those files. The simplest way to do that with ZenWorks Application Virtualization 11 is to simply store those files in the My Documents folder. Once that's done, all of those files are synced up to the server and accessible to all of the users who have access. So let's take a look at that. So here I have the portal, and you'll see I have my work container. I can unlock my work container. And you'll see here the applications and files in the container. When I run Notepad++, and I go to File Open, and find the local, what appears to the user to be the local My Documents folder, you'll see these are the files that are in the container that I see. Even though there are other files in my local My Documents folder, you'll see here, this is what it looks like locally. This is all that is seen inside of the container. I can also say another new file and save this as my test file in the container. Save that out. Now we're done with Notepad. Now it'll take a minute or two for that new file to show up in the container. So you can see right now we've just got the 3 files. And so now you'll see that the My Test file is in the container. So now I can log out. I'll also log out of the plugin. And I'll log in as another user. And this user has also been granted access to that container. And so you'll see when he unlocks that container, he's able to see that file that was stored there. And if he goes to the container in the Explorer shell, again it'll ask him to unlock the container. And what you just saw was it syncing the container, so here in just a minute you'll see that same file in here. Once that's done, same user can also say open with and open that same file in Notepad++ and begin working. Now it's important to note that there is no version control, so similar to Filer, you would, if you had 2 users working on the same file and one of them saved the file, then the last one that wrote the file to the server would be the one that wins. So what you've seen here is the shared My Documents folder portion of the desktop containers. Between this and the ability to assign users and applications containers, you pretty much have a full secure container in which to work on data between multiple users. Thank you very much.